See, there's two of them in flight right there. There they are. They're like dancing in a way. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. I'm not exactly sure if these are hawks or not. I see these guys all the time when I walk on the way to the library. All different errands to run, and I see them going in front of me. Alright, well I guess I'm gonna cut out now.